There are several reasons why people might consider stopping the purchase of an iPhone 11. First, technology has advanced significantly since the iPhone 11's release in 2019, with newer models offering much improved performance, camera quality, and battery life. Features such as 5G connectivity, which the iPhone 11 lacks, have become standard, making the device less future-proof for users looking for fast internet speeds. Additionally, Apple has introduced more efficient, durable displays and enhanced processing power in later models, making the iPhone 11's hardware comparatively outdated and slower for demanding applications. The newer iPhone models also include advanced camera systems, providing better low-light performance, sharper video quality, and more powerful AI features in photography. With the iPhone 11, users miss out on important security updates and longer-term support, as Apple will eventually prioritize software compatibility for newer devices. Lastly, with more environmentally friendly options on the market, as Apple has focused on sustainable materials and reduced energy consumption in recent models, investing in newer iPhones aligns better with environmental concerns.